Hello, my name is Robert Gadball and welcome to this short video on labeling your contours. So I have a surface here with contours. So I want to put some labels on here. So there's a few ways to do this. We're going to come up here to the ribbon and we're going to select on the Annotate tab. And we're going to go to Add Labels. Now if you pick on the upper portion of this dialog or this button here, it'll bring up a dialog box. So I'm going to do that. And here's my dialog box. And so now you got to pick what you're going to label. Well, I'm going to label the surface. And then what are you going to label about the surface? I can do slope, spot elevations. I can do contour single, multiple, or multiple interval. Single is you just picking one contour and it'll throw one label right at that location. Multiple is I'm going to draw a line through these contours and I'll get a label everywhere this line crosses. And the multiple one is kind of a combination of both. I would actually draw the line in here and it will throw a label on there, and then I specify the interval and it'll scatter more labels all around, and that's basically a single. All right, but I'm going to just do this multiple. All right, then you specify the styles you're going to use. All these are fine, and now I go add. And at the command line it says pick your first point. All I'm going to do here is just draw a line where I actually want to see these labels. So I draw that, and now you can see the labels on there. I can continue to draw, or I can start another one. And so I'm going to do some labels here. I'm going to go add here. Let's go over here and add some more labels. And I'm going to press enter. So there I've added some labels. Now I've got the line appearing here right now, which I typically don't want. We can turn that off in our styles also, or in our template. But I'm going to just right click on this and go to AutoCAD Properties. And in AutoCAD Properties here, you can see all this information. The first thing you're seeing is, do you want to display that line? Well, I don't. I'll say false. All right. And so now if I go over here, you'll see now that it doesn't actually show the line anymore. But if I click on a label, it's still there, and I can move this around. You can see how the labels move. Now in this situation down in here, you can see all my labels are overlapping. So I'm going to select this. I'm going to say don't show me the line here. But I also don't want to see the minor labels. So I'm going to say false. And now I'll escape. And now you can see I'm only showing the majors, because if I showed the minors, they were all overlapping. This concludes a short video on adding contour labels to your surface. If you like this video, please subscribe and like to see more videos soon.